I never made a turkey before, never made a whole duck before, and I've actually never made a whole chicken before. And I've actually never made stuffing, so this is a how-to for all of us. So if your shit comes out fucked up,
it's your fault.
It's my fault. So today we're gonna make a turducken. If you don't know what a turducken is a chicken stuffed inside of a duck, stuffed inside of a turkey. So it's gonna be a 3-layered poultry dish, but between the layers we're gonna put in stuffing, so that's what we're gonna work on first. All right, to start our stuffing, we got a fresh loaf of sourdough. Some people just buy breadcrumbs already packaged, they're already dry and shit. But we're gonna start with the fresh one. Make sure you got a bread knife.
Well then.
So just nice cube size pieces.
Pretty good.
Cut it down the middle. Cheers. All right, you want 1/4 cup of parsley.
Don't say more than a teaspoon to me.
Okay, rosemary's good. 4 cloves of garlic. Bam!
Oh.
Bam! Bam! And it just makes it a lot easier to peel. Look at that. Our next ingredient is a sweet Italian sausage. Get out of the casing, because you don't want that hard plastic shit in your
Yeah, that's pork, bro. It's all good. I won't be tasting this.
Oh my god. It's like a newborn baby. 1 whole yellow onion. Oh shit, I should have did it a different way.
I guess so, but you know the technique?
I should have did the technique where I like made all the slices before cutting it all
that's
down.
what I was about to say, yep.
And then fucking slice it. What am I? Oh, Shawty showed me that one.
Shawty showed you that?
Shout out to my Dominicans.
Oh, look at that crack. Oh, you heard it here first.
Just how I like my girls' makeup beat. Right to the pan, let that melt.
Look at the, oh.
That food made you hungry, so you went and bought some shit?
Well, I mean...
Alright, so now, oh, shut the fuck up. Thank you. The brown sausage to the breadcrumbs and the vegetable mix. So we'll put all the fat in there. Rosemary, all of it. And the egg.
Is it over?
Alright, thank you.
There you go. If you need me, you just call me.
Yeah, can you go wash your hands in the bathroom, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bathroom's over here.
Oh, okay. Oh.
You might want to take that Fitbit off too.
Alright. It smells like a stuffing. Look at that.
We're making the fucking stuffing.
Oh, we are?
Into the baking dish. Oh yeah. Wow, you're
Look at that.
pretty good at that.
Yeah.
Well, right now we got our friend Stephanie. She's a special guest. My nephew brought her. That's his friend right there. So she's actually gonna help us start carving the turducken. So she has a chicken. I'm gonna do the duck. I'm gonna give her a walkthrough. She's never cut a chicken before, and I've never cut a duck before. This is both of our first time, so we're teaching everybody. We're learning at the same time. Put the bird on his stomach, so it's on his breast.
Turn it over.
Yep. And then we're just gonna cut down the. We're gonna follow the spine all the way down. We're gonna try to avoid cutting the skin. We want to avoid cutting the breast. So we're just gonna follow the spine and just follow. I really didn't want to do this.
I know, this is so fun.
We're just following the ribs as we're cutting down.
It looked just like that.
I did it! That's crazy, y'all. You know, I'm just good at a lot of things out here, you know. Look at my drip, my swag. Look at my drip, my swag.
See the rest of the spine?
Yep.
Babe, if you don't...
You did a good job.
Yeah.
You didn't cut through any of the skin. So here's how it's gonna look, right? We're gonna put, it's called a turducken because all right, y'all, so we're about to get carved into the turkey. We have my friend Kiara with us. You want to say what up?
Hi guys, I'm Kiara.
Yep. You want to cut down that spine? All right, so we're both gonna work on this at the same time.
Okay. Kaylinda in action.
What's your Instagram name so we can?
It's KAYY.LINDA. Kaylinda. It's que linda, but if you don't know Spanish, it's fine.
See?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm still trying to manage.
How you doing over here?
Hi, my friend. That's how you cut a thing.
Look at that. Get the whole fucking bowl now.
Hey.
Cut this wing off. Break it again. You ready?
Oh!
So we just deboned
A turkey.
the turkey. There's a little slit in there, which is all right. Not too bad. We deboned the turkey. Next, we're gonna let's move this shit. We're gonna put the duck inside of the turkey like this. Next, look here. Chicken inside of the duck. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it on up. We're gonna fold it up like this. And we're gonna sew it together. Now we got another guest, Vanessa. We have Kiara's back. So we finished deboning the turkey. The next part is to layer it all up. So the next
I feel weird for the way I'm like.
Get a zoom in.
The way I'm like.
The way she give it.
Wow.
Massaging the turkey. Chicken gullet. Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna grab the stuffing, bring the stuffing on over.
Where do you guys find my ass at?
And then we're just gonna put a nice layer over the turkey. All right. So next layer is gonna be the duck.
Okay, next is the duck.
Yep. Get the duck layer right over there.
Wait, this is the duck.
So it matches. Yeah.
Duck
So this is the breast. That's another breast. Yep.
Duck has black and breast.
Oh yeah.
Why? Oh, I thought you did.
Black on
That's
breast.
why I asked.
The black of the bear is sweeter than juice. So we this right here. Let me show.
What is that?
Finger. Come on. Hold on that side. We're gonna make it a whole turkey again.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a big fish right there. Damn, that one's deep. But then when we put the other one, it's not gonna look normal.
When you see that sucker Nate, tell him what we did.
Wanted to come to an end. Do it to your cash for a large amount. Oh.
On that Turducken. On that Turducken. Turducken. Yeah. It's a shame